Have you ever done mountain climbers and thought, why does this one exercise feel like it hits everything at once? Your abs burn, your shoulders shake, lungs work overtime, and your heart rate jumps fast? Now imagine what could happen if you did mountain climbers every single day. Not just once in a while, but as a daily habit. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you will understand how one simple move can reshape your strength, endurance, and confidence in ways most people do not expect. If we have not met before, I am a certified fitness coach, and my job is to help you train smarter, not harder. Today, we are talking about what really happens to your body if you do mountain climbers daily. This is a fitness education video with a practical workout feel, so you can learn and apply at the same time. You do not need any equipment for this, just your body, a little floor space, and the willingness to move. Mountain climbers are beginner-friendly when modified and challenging enough for advanced athletes when done with intensity. By the end of this video, you will know the benefits, the mistakes to avoid, and how to safely add mountain climbers into your daily routine without burning out. Understanding mountain climbers. Mountain climbers look simple, but they're one of the most complete bodyweight exercises you can do. You start in a high plank position, hands under shoulders, core tight, and you drive one knee at a time toward your chest. That movement alone activates your core, shoulders, arms, hips, and legs all at once. What makes mountain climbers special is that they combine strength and cardio. Your muscles are working to hold your body steady while your heart rate climbs quickly. That combination is powerful for fat loss, endurance, and total body conditioning. When you do mountain climbers daily, your body adapts fast. The first thing most people notice is improved coordination. Your brain and body learn to move together more efficiently, which helps not just with workouts, but with everyday movement. Warm-up effects on the body. When used daily, mountain climbers act almost like a full-body warm-up for life. Your shoulders become more mobile, your hips loosen up, and your spine learns to stay stable under movement. This is especially helpful if you sit for long hours or feel stiff in your lower back. Over time, your posture improves. Holding a plank position every day teaches your body what proper alignment feels like. Your core muscles learn to stay engaged instead of switching off, which can reduce aches and pains during the day. Core strength changes. Let's talk about the core, because this is where most people feel mountain climbers the most. When done correctly, mountain climbers train your abs to stabilize, not just crunch. That means your deep core muscles get stronger, including the ones that protect your lower back. If you do mountain climbers daily, you may not instantly see six-pack abs, but you will feel tighter, stronger, and more controlled through your midsection. Your balance improves, and exercises like squats, push-ups, and running start to feel easier. For beginners, slowing the movement down keeps the core engaged without losing form. For advanced levels, speeding up or adding cross-body knee drives increases the challenge. Upper body benefits. Mountain climbers are also an underrated upper body exercise. Your shoulders, chest, and arms work constantly to support your body weight. Doing this daily builds endurance in those muscles, not bulky size, but functional strength. If push-ups feel hard right now, mountain climbers can actually help. They teach shoulder stability and arm strength without the pressure of full pushing movements. Over time, your plank endurance improves, and that carries over into many other workouts. Lower body and hip activation. Every knee drive in a mountain climber activates your hip flexors, glutes, and quads. When done daily, this improves hip strength and control, which is essential for walking, running, and climbing stairs. Many people have weak hips from sitting too much. Mountain climbers counter that by forcing the hips to move while the core stays stable. This balance is key for injury prevention and athletic performance. If you feel hip tightness at first, that's normal. Keep the movement controlled and focus on smooth breathing. Cardio and fat loss effects. One of the biggest changes from daily mountain climbers is improved cardiovascular fitness. Your heart and lungs adapt quickly to repeated bursts of movement. After a few weeks, you will notice your breathing recovers faster. From a fat loss perspective, mountain climbers burn calories efficiently. They raise your heart rate while engaging multiple muscle groups, which increases overall energy use. When combined with proper nutrition and consistency, this can support weight loss goals. They also boost your metabolism short-term, especially when done at a moderate to high intensity. Even short daily sessions can make a difference. Mental toughness and discipline. Doing mountain climbers daily is not just physical. It builds mental toughness. This exercise is uncomfortable by design, and choosing to do it every day teaches discipline and resilience. Many people report feeling more confident and motivated after sticking with a daily movement habit. It reinforces the idea that you can do hard things even when motivation is low. That mental shift often carries into other healthy habits like better food choices, improved sleep, and more consistent workouts. Common mistakes to avoid. Now let us talk about what not to do. The biggest mistake with daily mountain climbers is rushing the movement. Speed without control leads to sagging hips, shoulder strain, and lower back discomfort. Another mistake is doing too much too soon. More is not always better. Daily does not mean extreme. Short, quality sets are more effective than long, sloppy ones. Finally, forgetting to breathe is common. Exhale as your knee drives in, and keep your breathing steady. This helps maintain form and endurance. How to structure daily mountain climbers. For beginners, start with 20 to 30 seconds at a controlled pace. Focus on form and breathing. You can do 1 to 3 sets depending on how you feel. For intermediate levels, 30 to 45 seconds with a moderate pace works well. You can add variations like cross-body climbers to increase core engagement. For advanced levels, 45 to 60 seconds at a faster pace or as part of a circuit will push your conditioning. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. The real transformation. Here's the most important thing to understand. The real transformation from doing mountain climbers daily is not just physical. Yes, you get stronger, leaner, and more conditioned, but the biggest change is consistency. One simple exercise done daily builds momentum. That momentum changes how you see yourself. You stop being someone who tries to work out and start being someone who moves every day. That identity shift is powerful. It leads to long-term results, not quick fixes. Mountain climbers become a habit, and habits shape your body and mindset over time. If you just finished a set of mountain climbers, take a moment to slow your breathing. Stand tall, shake out your arms, and gently stretch your hips and shoulders. This helps your body recover and reinforces good movement patterns. To sum it up, daily mountain climbers improve core strength, upper and lower body endurance, cardiovascular fitness, and mental toughness. They're simple, effective, and adaptable for all fitness levels. You don't need fancy equipment or long workouts, just consistency, good form, and patience. If this video helped you understand mountain climbers in a new way, give it a like so more people can find it. Subscribe to the channel for realistic fitness guidance you can actually stick to, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new workout or education video. I would love to hear from you in the comments. How many mountain climbers can you do right now? Or how many days in a row do you plan to try this challenge? And when you're ready, check out the next video on simple bodyweight exercises that transform your fitness at home.